If you want to turn on or off voice assistant for a Sony WH-1000XM5, then first of all you will have to open a Sony application, click on My Device and go below until you find Device Settings, then go for System, and right here you will have to go into Voice Assistant, and you can select between Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa when you are using Android phone. And to do this, you will have to basically complete the Google Assistant app settings. So if you don't actually have Google Assistant on your phone, or if you don't have Amazon Alexa, then you will have to actually click here to set it up. Now you'll be redirected right here, and all you have to do is just to basically follow on the screen instructions. So basically download the Amazon Alexa, log into your account, perform this voice activation, and it works the same with the Google Assistant. So that will be all.